In this video, we are going to be seeing how to rectify active community guideline strike. Yes, active community guideline strike in most of is part of the rules. It's actually a feature that is embedded in most of these social media platforms that we are using. So it is a way of checkmating how people interact with the platform and to avoid unnecessary behavior, especially we know how human beings behave. So it's a rule that ensures that everything is done diligently, clearly, and ensures that people are not duped or scammed on the social media platform. These rules are not only here on YouTube, they are available on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and the rest of them. Whatsoever platform you are thinking, please try to read those rules. Those one thing with those rules there is when you study them, you get to understand that it will really help you a lot to save you some of these things. You can clearly see there is a warning here, but I'm lucky enough. Sometimes the way it happens, you might not really get to understand it, but as you get to use those platforms, you get to understand how it works. For the case of YouTube, it's a bit understandable, but for the case of Facebook, they are a bit complicated because when it comes to Facebook, they don't even allow you to attach any link to your post at all, irrespective of where it is coming, except if it is an Instagram link. But thank God, that is why I'm more comfortable with YouTube, because YouTube are more a bit much more transparent with their rules. So they let you know what your problem is and how to fix it. We are going to be seeing how to address it in this particular point. So in this case, I posted a particular video. We are going to see it. They will tell you how to go about it. So we are going to be seeing how to fix it now. So after posting that video, you are going to be given a notification that you go against the rule. You click that link, it will bring you to a point where you get to see, they will tell you what you have to follow and how to go about it. This is it. You get to see your content was removed due to violation of community guideline. So, and then you receive a warning strike if you can take a policy training which will remove the warning after 90 days. So they will give you the opportunity on how to go about it. They will give you, when you click this, it will take you to a page where you take the training and take other necessary stuff, or you get to see the community rules. All this will be there. Then if this happens again, they tell you everything that is involved. In some situation, your channel might get disabled. I have a channel that tried to run certain things. After a while, I think I made a mistake. That channel was disabled completely. But this one, understanding from that experience, I tried to follow their rules. But in this case, sometimes how it goes wrong, you might not really pick it exactly how it goes wrong, because this is it. Look at it. This is what causes the problem here. They made it known to me that this is the link that caused the problem. It's not even the video. So it's a particular link I attached to this particular video. So you can see they said it appears to be spammy, deceptive practice, and a scam. So when you see something like this, sometimes it might not really be scammy, but maybe based on how their algorithm or how the AI at the background sees the link. So most of the time things like this can go wrong. So when you go wrong, they take a complete training. You get to see when this incident happened. They say take a complete training completed. So I was able to do the training. I completed it on the 23rd of April 2024. But this is when I appeal. So when you see it, when you see the warning, you are allowed to appeal. Then you appeal to submit. You can see that was since June 2023. So I didn't follow it up immediately. So when you do it, after completing everything, you will now get to see that warning on June 29, 2023. You can see. So that warning that was caused by this particular link I attached to my video is now going to expire on the 22nd of July, and today is already 21st of July. Look at it here. You can clearly see it here, 21st of July, based on my time here, 2024. So I believe by the end of today, the warning you are seeing here will be removed. So these rules are in category. There are those that they will give you warning like this. Some might lead to outright disabling of the account. So I'm going to show you the one of the account I tried to create on Facebook, on YouTube, that was disabled. When I come here and I click switch account, you can see this very one. This is meditation and relaxation. The channel was removed completely. So possibly because maybe I made a particular mistake in posting something there. So you can see it. So try to study these rules and follow it as it is expected, so that you don't put in all your effort and at the end of the day that channel is disabled. So thank God for this very one. I think I haven't even gone far with the channel before this particular thing happened. I think I have only about 5 or 10 videos here. So try to follow the rules and you'll be happy with it, because actually YouTube has a lot of potentials that can really change your life if you know how to put the maximum use of it. So catch you in my next video. Don't forget to keep a date, and I want to continue to bring you more valuable content. I'm going to do a video to show you when this warning was removed. You get to appreciate it. So thank you once again.